Hello. This is the host.
Let me check. Turn around. Yeah.
Look at my grill, eh?
Don't get so close.
Okay, just want to know, I'm the host.
Is it playing?
Sombrero.
Sombrero.
This is my co-host.
You're not even pointing it at you.
Ima. And her.
Casey.
We call her Casey on the side. So Casey on the side, what are you doing right now?
Sitting here listening to you.
Do you know what?
You're not even holding it right.
You are right.
It's all about you. I know.
I'm sorry. How is your day in the life of a high school student, eh?
It was good.
You guys are doing pictures like it's a picture. It's not the picture, it's a movie.
It's a movie. Oh,
You guys
I
are
got a
tripping.
question for Ryan.
Hello.
What are you doing this weekend?
I get naked, sit in my car, which I don't have. So nothing.
Because you have no life. Yeah.
I do have a life.
No, because we're going to hang out. Oh my God. Yeah. We're hanging out without you. Without you. We'll hang out with Sombrero, but not Ryan.
Do you know why? Because they are gay.
Because we're gay.
I did not say gay.
It's like right now. Now your hands in. I know.
Okay, I just want you guys to know that you guys are both very beautiful.
No, you said we're not fine enough. Yeah. No, you said I was.
No, there's a difference.
No,
There's fine and there's beautiful. If you're beautiful, you have everything. From the inside to the outside.
You said we were fine.
You guys are beautiful. If you're fine,
I know.
if you're fine, you don't have the inside, you have just the outside. You guys are beautiful young ladies.
I mean,
You guys want to have a threesome? Oh, that's X-rated. This is a team clapping. Casey's on cracking. Casey's on clap. Look.
so quiet.
We're going to do a freestyle. This is our theme song. Hi, my name is Sombrero. Do you know I'm close to you? Did you know I love you? Do you know I care for you? This is my show, called the Sombrero Show. So you know that I'm Sombrero, but you're not, I am. Do you want to know something? Do you want to know I'm true to you? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to give you the measles. I'm so cold, I melt in the freezer. So do you know what? I'm going to try out my new tricks. Oh, denied. Denied again.
Stop. I'd rather kiss a returning cat.
Yeah. You know, I lick at you. I said I like you, not lick at you. You know I'm American. You're not taking pictures with it. Pose like we're going to.
Okay.
Okay, next week on our show, we'll have Casey on the side next to me. I don't think he was pointing at her. Let's get into the mouth of Ima. What else has been in her mouth? What did you eat today? Oh my God, those are some bootylicious lips.
Bootylicious little snaps?
She got bootylicious lips. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Jiggle the lips, jiggle the lips. Can you say Beyonce Jr.? I want you guys to give up and get... You go play me.